What's the meaning of cleric? Cleric. Cleric.
Cleric. Cleric. A cleric is a religious figure, often associated with Christianity or Islam, who has been ordained to perform certain religious duties, such as leading worship services and administering sacraments. They may also serve as counselors and advisors to their congregations, and may be responsible for overseeing various aspects of church operations. The term can also refer to any member of the clergy, regardless of their specific religious affiliation. In general, clerics are respected members of their communities and are expected to lead virtuous and moral lives in accordance with their religious beliefs.